Welcome to our channel Handy Worksheets. Today we are going to see an activity sheet for toddlers and preschoolers to learn and identify numbers from 0 to 9. Here you can separate the number flowers from the parts and ask your kids to arrange them in correct place like this. Now see here the number flowers are shuffled. You can ask your kid to rearrange the numbers in correct place like 7. Where is the 7? Here it is. So you have to remove number 0 and keep aside and then put it in the number 7 pot. Keep the number flowers together like this and ask your kid to pick one from it and arrange them. What is this? Number 2. Where is the number 2 part? Here it is. Put it in the number 2 part. What is this? Number 4. Where is the number 4 part? Here. Pick one flower from here. What is this? Match the number. Number 9. Say 9.
9.
Yes. Put like this.
9.
Pick another one. What is this?
4.
Number 4. Very good. Where is 4? Where is 4?
4 is there.
Yes, here it is.
4.
Pick another one. What number is this?
7.
7. Very good. Very good. Hope you all like this fun activity sheet. Engage your kids with fun and learning numbers too. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for our further updates. Thank you.